In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly upload photos from your laptop to Google Drive, whether you want to save some storage space on your device or ensure that your favorite memories are safely backed up. Uploading photos to Google Drive is a smart and easy solution. Let's dive into the process now, step by step. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Once you've done that, head over to the Google Drive website. Simply type drive.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Just use your usual credentials. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Google Drive interface. Here, you'll see a plus new button located on the left side panel of the screen. Go ahead and click on this button. Upon doing so, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears with several options. Among these, select File Upload. At this point, a File Explorer window will open. This is where you get to choose the photos you wish to upload from your laptop to Google Drive. Simply navigate through your folders to locate the pictures you want to save. Once you've found your selected photos, click on them. You can hold the Ctrl key or CMD on a Mac to select multiple items at once. With your desired photos selected, click Open. You'll see the uploading progress at the bottom right corner of your screen. Google Drive allows you to continue working while your files are uploading, but bear in mind that the speed and duration might vary depending on the size of the photos and your internet connection. Always ensure you're connected to a stable network to avoid any interruptions. Wait until the process is complete. Once finished, your photos will be safely stored in your Google Drive storage. You can now organize them into folders for easy access. Just right-click on the main panel, select New Folder, and give it a memorable name. Drag and drop your photos into this newly created folder for a tidy and organized drive. So there you have it, friends, a simple guide to getting your photos from your laptop into Google Drive with ease. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your treasured images secure and accessible from anywhere. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share with others who might need a hand with their tech tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy uploading.